Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab legs on the stove. First, ensure your crab legs are fully thawed. If frozen, place them in the refrigerator overnight. Gather a large pot, a steamer basket, and a pair of tongs. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. This preparation step is crucial for even heating and delicious results. Now let's get to steaming. Pour about 1 inch of water into your large pot. Carefully place the steamer basket inside, ensuring it sits above the water level. Arrange the crab legs in a single layer within the basket, avoiding any overcrowding. This allows the steam to circulate evenly, cooking them perfectly. Once the crab legs are in the basket, cover the pot tightly and bring the water to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Allow them to steam for about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll know they are ready when the crab meat is opaque and easily pulls away from the shell. Overcooking can make them tough, so watch the time. When your crab legs are perfectly cooked, carefully remove them from the pot using tongs. They will be hot. Serve them immediately for the best flavor and texture. A classic pairing is melted butter and fresh lemon wedges. For an extra touch, consider a sprinkle of fresh parsley. Enjoy your delicious home-cooked crab legs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.